What's okay, I remain your player, not skip effect. So in this video, I will be showing you the proper way to use lot size in synthetic trading. A lot of traders out there have blown their, especially beginners, have blown their account because of improper use of lot size. One of the issues that trader or beginners face trading the synthetic indices is what? The improper way or the proper way to use lot size. It is a normal problem that many beginners are actually facing currently. I've been able to deduce this means that we solve the problem, because when you're familiar with trading, especially the currency pair, one thing that is unique or one thing that you will notice in terms of lot size is that the least lot size for any pair at all you want to trade in currency pair is always 0.01. You can start increasing it by maybe 0.2, 0.1, whatever means you want to use. But when it comes to synthetic trading, each pair that is available for you to trade has a unique lot size. That means that the lot size that you use in trading one pair, you cannot use it to trade the other. So how do you know the least lot size for each of these pair? How do you know the proper lot size to use in trading a particular pair? That is why this video is here for you. I'll be able to deduce the means to which you can actually solve this problem. I know many traders have blown their account because of improper use of lot size and all. And if you have also blown your account, make sure you drop your experience in the comment section so that others can actually learn from your experience. But by the way, this video has come to probably solve this problem, so you can reduce your risks to as low as zero, or probably have more profitable trades, because people have been running in huge losses, and it has affected the psychology of many traders, especially beginners, because they don't know how to probably mitigate these losses. They have a low account size and they're not willing to take as much risk as as the Lord says subjected them to, because they don't know how to use it. So if this is your first time of viewing my content, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel and use the link in the description of this video to join our Telegram channel, where we drop daily update and free signal. Like I said, it's totally free. And also, if this is your first time of coming into this synthetic trading journey, make sure you use the link in the description of this video to register your account and start trading with us. So without further ado, we dive into the chart and then we unveil the secret. For the sake of this video, I will be using a demo account to illustrate what I have to show you guys. All right, so like I said, one of the major reasons why many people are still blowing their account is, especially in synthetic trading, is because they do not know the right lot size that are peculiar or that are supposed to be used for a particular pair. Okay, so that is one of the major reasons. Both beginners or those that have been trading for a while, they've made these mistakes. And as you're watching this video, if you've had such experience, make sure you drop your experience in the comment section. So because of such thing, they've probably had so many losing trade because of high lot size that they were not aware of, just like you can see on my screen. So that is why I've taken my time to solve this problem. So let me show you how some of this problem will, emerge. Take for instance, suppose I want to take a position on step index. Okay, so this is step index. You can see that for me to take a position here, I have to bring out this execution bar telling me that the least lot size for step index is what? 0.1. So let's assume I want to take probably a sell from it. So let's assume I also have an analysis that I want to take on, let's say, V51S. This is the chart of V51X, as you can see from my screen. And you are seeing that the lot size that is here is still showing 0.1. That is to tell you that the lot size is varies. Let's say I'm not aware of the least lot size that I'm supposed to use on this volatility 51S, and I decided to take a position with this lot size. Let's say 0. I will use this 0.1. Now let me show you the difference between these two. Now these are the two positions I entered. Just a little tick from this guy, you can see how fast he's moving, because the least lot size of this guy is not supposed to be 0.1. The least lot size of this guy is 0.005. So for you to solve this problem, what I would suggest you do is this. Whenever you want to make an entry into any trade and you are not sure of what the lot size, the least lot size of that particular pair is, what you need to do is, for instance, I want to take a position on 251S. What you need to do is, when you come to this, look at this point where they wrote 0.01. You need to remove that particular lot size by
just canceling whatever number you are seeing there. The one I'm seeing here is 0.01, and now I am not sure of the lot size I'm supposed to use to trade this V7 25 1A. So I have to cancel this guy, and then I'll write 0.000 probably 1. You can see that it's showing red. I have to increase it to 1. It's still showing red. I will increase it to 2. It's still showing red. I will increase it to 3. Still showing red, telling you that it is not a good lot size. Like it's not you cannot use this lot size to trade this particular pair. So you keep increasing it until you see the one that you can see that it has changed to black. So this is to tell you that this is the least lot size of this particular pair. Okay, so with this, you can actually make your entry. Then you click done, and then you probably, if you want to take a sell, you click on a sell position, and then don't forget to use your stop loss. Whenever you make an entry, make sure that you already have where you want to put your stop loss. Okay, so that is that about how you can actually solve this problem. So let's take another one. Now the least lot size of this particular guy is what? Is 0.005. Let's say you want to make an entry on another pair. So let's say you want to make an entry on V101S. Now, if you notice that the lot size here adjusts itself to what? 0.5. That is actually the least lot size. But how it works is whenever you use a high lot size, and then whenever you use a high lot size and you want to trade another pair that the least lot size is actually lower than the previous one, the market will not make this adjustment. But once you are, maybe the last trade you executed have a least lot size that is actually smaller than the one that you're about to trade now, it will automatically adjust itself. That is the reason why when we are about to make a trade on V25 1X, the least lot size was 0.005. But now coming down to V101S, it automatically adjusts itself from 0.005 towards 0.5, which is actually the least lot size of V101S. That is because we are coming from a lower lot size to another pair that has a higher lot size in terms of the least lot size of each of them. So some of these things vary from volatility to from how volatile they are. So what I'm saying in essence, or your take from this video, is whenever you want to make an entry, make sure that you remove, if you are not sure of the lot size, because I've been trading this for a while, I am familiar with most of the lot sizes that are here. But for those who are coming in new, or those who have not really been trading synthetic indices for quite some time, whenever you come in, the first thing you need to do is to remove this particular number that you are seeing if you are not sure of what the least lot size should be, and then you start from 0.1. If it's for instance, if this shows me black, telling me that it is a lot size that I can use, a usable lot size, I will not be sure that it is the least. I have to go below, maybe like 0.01, to see if it's going to, if it doesn't, since it's showing red, that means that it is small. I have to increase it again to like 1. It's still small. I have to increase it to this small. It's still showing, you can see that it's still red until I have to get to 5, which of course is now showing black. It's showing black. It's telling you that yes, this lot size is suitable for this particular pair, and it is the least lot size of V101X. So this is how you can solve some of the problems that causes, that allows you to blow your account because you mistakenly use a lot size that is not suitable. Because why I'm emphasizing on this is because I know there are a couple of persons out there that they have a smaller account size which they are not willing to risk. Probably they have the plan of growing that account from that little amount to a significant amount, but because of the use of wrong lot size, they ended up blowing this account. Because one of the things you need to be aware when you are trading is how much you are risking and how much you are expecting to gain from the risks you are taking. So that is what they call risk to reward. So you have to be aware of your risk. Always use lot size. This is how you can prevent yourself from blowing accounts. Know the right lot size to use in trading any synthetic pair, and make sure that whatever lot size that you're using, whether it is least or you decide to increase it, make sure that there is a lot size. And one beauty thing about MT5 now is once you make an entry, you can actually tell how much you are risking. For instance, if I want to put my stop loss here, you can see that SL, they are showing 6.66. That is to tell you that how much I'm going to lose in taking this trade. If at all it doesn't go according to plan, I'm going to lose $6.66. So that is one of the beauty thing about using MT5. It helps you to automatically calculate your risks. So use stop loss whenever you are taking your trade. Be aware of that risk and make sure that you use this method which I've shown you to adjust your lot size, so that you will know the lot size that is suitable for a particular pair. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly make sure you subscribe to it if you are new, and don't forget to like and comment. If you have any similar experience in terms of maybe you blow your first account or you're still experiencing losses, make sure you drop it in the comment section. Okay, I'll be there to attend to any question that's related to trading to the best of my knowledge. Peace out, guys. So not skip cares.